Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly advancing technology that has the potential to greatly impact society. AI contributes to automation and increased efficiency in various industries. Successful AI applications in businesses have already been seen. AI plays a role in healthcare, including diagnostics and personalized medicine. Real-world examples show how AI has improved medical outcomes. AI has a positive impact on education through personalized learning. Success stories of AI applications in educational settings are inspiring. Job displacement due to automation is a challenge. Suggestions for adapting the workforce to AI changes are necessary. Ethical issues and biases in AI algorithms need to be explored. Responsible AI development and usage are crucial. Privacy concerns and potential risks associated with AI surveillance must be addressed. Strong ethical guidelines and regulations are advocated for. AI affects social interactions and relationships. Both positive and negative aspects need to be considered. The impact of AI adoption on accessibility and societal inequality needs analysis. Proposals for addressing these issues are important. Potential solutions to address challenges are presented. Collaboration between policymakers, industry, and society is emphasized. Responsible AI development and usage are called for. Ethical considerations are crucial in AI advancements. The opportunities and challenges of AI have been discussed. Viewers are encouraged to engage in discussions on AI's impact. Thank you to the viewers for their time. Comments, questions, and discussions are encouraged in the comment section.